Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. The mountain mints are one of the best plants for months and months of bloom, not only for garden ornament, but for supporting pollinators. You can see there's honeybees and native bumblebees and various different species of wasps, and you'll see the occasional butterfly. Oh, I see some wasps, some of the flies that mimic bees. But you can always tell one of those flies that mimic bees because the order Diptera, to which flies belong, only have 2 functional wings, whereas all other insects have 4. And that's why the order is known as Diptera. Diptera, di for 2, and Ptera, terra is wing. You see that little bit of Greek or Latin in a lot of fern names like Thelipterus and other Dryopterus, because they're referencing the wing-like structure of a fern frond. This is the narrow-leafed Pycnanthemum tenuifolium. Tenuifolium as in a tenuous, narrow, or fine, and of course folium, leaf. And Pycnanthemum means clustered flowered, or a bunch of flowers, because it's in the mint family, and the numerous flowers are clustered in this tight little head. Now, some of the mountain mints are rapid spreaders. This planting gives you the impression that this one is, but it's not. It spreads slowly. This was a planting of many plants, and so it gives the impression of one that has spread far. We are right at the edge of the property along our busy street, and so I'm sort of having to stop frequently while blabbering about this wonderful plant. It's a plant of multiple seasons of interest because come fall, these seed heads turn a dark sort of charcoal gray, and they stand all winter long, much like little seed heads of the sedum autumn joy. So it's a great native plant for sun, for part sun, average soil. It also can be found growing on wet soil, so it's very, very adaptable plant, and it's native to this area as well as a good part of eastern North America. The common name of the Pycnanthemums, mountain mint, comes from the fact that many of them do have very minty, fragrant foliage, but this one, to my nose, smells more like carrots, sort of like the foliage of dog fennel. And I don't find it minty at all, but it's a pleasant smell. God, can you see that wasp? That wasp is about 2 inches long. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden. I might still be standing here observing our insect zoo. Totally fascinating.